So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 squishies, and tomorrow I am getting a Nido, so I'm like happy. So let's get to my squishies. First we have this like mini thingy. I don't know, like it's like mini. It's a mini dumpling. It's like really cute. And yeah. Okay, so now we have this dumpling. It's real. I got it at Five Below. It's like so good. Like so good, I love it. So now we have this one. It's like it's like a lemon. Like so good. It's like a Nido. And like I said, I'm getting like a real Nido tomorrow, so like I'm happy. Last but not least, my cheese. My cheese is so good, and I love it so much. And tomorrow when I get my Nido in the mail, I'll tell you all about it if I'm not at the beach. Bye.